I have fallen in love with overnight oats as a breakfast option, I have to say. And as part of my kind of 10% healthier for this year, it's the little steps along the way that I'm doing to improve my health. Ways of sneaking in that extra little bit of fruit or something that's really good for me. This is such an easy recipe and it's so tasty. And all you really need are porridge oats, which you pop in your jar, or you can just do a big bowl of it. I just do a jug of it, to be quite honest. The reason I'm actually putting it in a jar is you can take this with you. So you're heading out to work, you can have your jar, it's got the lid on it, off you go, and then as soon as you arrive at work, after your commute is done, you have a breakfast ready for you. So the next thing then is some cinnamon. Now that's to taste. So in the recipe I've said a pinch of cinnamon, but I actually really do like cinnamon, so I'm going to pop in a rather large pinch, and then we can give that a little mix up, just so the cinnamon's well distributed. Now I'm going with milk. You can put water in either, but I just like milk in it, and I like the fact that I'm getting my little bit of calcium in there. Natural yogurt, or a Greek yogurt, or a flavoured yogurt if you're making this for the kids. They might like a hazelnut yogurt in here, or a strawberry yogurt. Give that a nice mix up. Smells gorgeous. I'm not putting any sugar in at the moment. Tomorrow morning I'll think about it. Maybe I'll put a little bit of honey or something on top, or a sprinkling of castor sugar. But for the moment I'm just putting this in, but I'm also going to put in my berries now and more berries on the top tomorrow morning. So I'm going with strawberries and blueberries. You could have a look in the freezer. You know, you can buy your bags of mixed berries and just put those in. You can put in some mango. You can buy frozen mango this time of the year. This is the kind of thing you just look and see what you have, what you want to use up. Grapes, apples, grated apple is lovely in here. Pear, you name it. It all works in here. Give that a nice mix. And then all you need to do is get the lid on, or just cover it. And that goes into the fridge overnight, and we'll come back and have a look at it tomorrow morning. So here we go. This is the one that I put in the fridge last night. And it's absolutely lovely. It's set really nicely. Give it a little stir and see what it's like. Look, got a gorgeous consistency in it. Nice mix up. And it's really nice and soft. Now we're not finished there. If you wanted that a little sweeter, you could go with a wee drizzle of honey. But first of all, I want to add in my seeds. You see, what I'm doing is I'm getting my calcium from my dairy product and get my B vitamins from my oat flakes, which is fabulous. And then I'm getting my vitamin C and other micronutrients from my fruit. But the powerhouses are the seeds. And you can do a mix of seeds to suit yourself. Pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, whatever you like yourself. And what I have here is just a go-to mix that I put on top of everything into salads and the likes. And these are full of antioxidants, and they have fabulous minerals in them, and your omegas as well. So they are absolutely great nutritionally. So you can pop them in, and I don't hold back on them. So you've got your chia seeds in there, you've got your sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, okay? And then you can pop in a little bit of fruit. There you go, a few strawberries, I'm trying to make it look pretty. And then a little drizzle of the honey. And a couple more seeds on top, so you can see them. And that there is your berry overnight oats. 10% healthier.